What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. Now, this is an amazing device, but you're wondering how to turn it off, power it off, switch it off, however you want to call it. And I don't know why Apple, Samsung, OnePlus, even Google have disabled the power button to be able to do what its main feature was when they first started building smartphones. And that's if you hit the power button, it powers your phone off. But when you hit the power button on a OnePlus 10 Pro 5G or many other smartphones, it pulls up an assistant. So if you hit the power button here, you get an assistant. You get Google Assistant, which we don't need to do that. Now, there is a button combination that you can do on the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G, which is the power button and the volume up at the same time. And you get the power button menu. You can hit power off, you can hit restart, or you can activate the emergency if you're in that kind of situation. But the other way that you can do it is if you go here to settings, you go down to system settings, as you can see there, and then you're going to look for something that says power button. You see it right there? And then you can see you get double click power button to get camera, or press and hold power button to either get voice assistant, or your other option is power menu. So we'll hit power menu, go back to our home screen. Now when we hold down the power button, we get the great ability to turn off our phone again. And if you double press the power button here, you'll get your camera. So you want to take a shot of your picture of your whatever you need to do, you could do that real fast. The other thing I wanted to see, if you go into system settings, power button, double click, you can have it to double click nothing or camera. So I don't see the ability to do other apps. You can only do power button or Google Assistant. Oh yeah, that's it. You can only do power button or Google Assistant. Basically how you power off your phone and restart it or whatever you need to do, because sometimes we want to shut our phone off or we want to restart it. So this gives us the ability to do that. But listen, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below and hit that thumbs up button. I'm gonna turn my phone off and I'm gonna get out of here. Peace.